Today I'm going to show you how to install the retractable banner, remove the contents from the back, locate the back pole, the post that's used to raise the banner and keep that raised, locate the bottom base pieces, turn those sideways like this. The front of the banner, of course, you'll see the print. Go ahead and place that on the ground. Now you can assemble the post. The post end goes into the hole on the back of your retractable banner. And locks into place. Twist the holder, the top, the plastic holder, so that it will catch the back of the top of your retractable banner. Keep it straight, hold it with a steady hand. Pull it straight up. You can put your foot, if you need to, on either sides of the base legs. Pull it straight up. It's very important here to make sure that the plastic piece is latched in the top bar. And once you know that it is, that way it doesn't slam down to the ground. You know that it's securely in place. Everything's straight. Simple as that. How to install or how to set up the retractable banner.